welcome to our sustainability project. I'd like to begin by introducing everyone in the group. We all come from different schools within GW, and we think that our varying perspectives give a interesting outlook on the whole goal of our project. So, to start off, I'm Jared. I am a biology major.
I'm Maz, and I'm a bioanth major.
I'm Luca, I'm a public health major.
I'm Griffin, and I'm a business major.
So together, after discussing everything, we decided that the best meal would be to buy beans, rice, apples, and raisins in bulk and use that over long periods of time. So let's go make our meal.
Rice is a very water-intensive crop, but it's also a staple for many societies across the world. It's very filling. It's 190 calories for every cup, and in addition, it's just very easy to make. All you need is water, a pot, and then the product itself. So the first part of this is the rice, which we have currently rinsed and are now putting into the boiling water.
Beans are a great crop because while they're high in protein, they're high in potassium, they're high in iron, lots of other nutrients like that. They're also great because they're a legume, and so they serve the role as nitrogen fixings. That reduces the need for putting in nitrogen and phosphorus through artificial fertilizer, which, as we discussed in class, flows into Chesapeake Bay, leads to algae blooms, which kills off the wildlife and causes lots of issues. So
we're just gonna saute it in a pan a little bit. I'm gonna put those in there. Mix it in a little bit.
If you just take a look at the apples, apples are high in vitamins as well as potassium, and they also are a great source of natural sugars.
Finally, with raisins, it's just another fruit to add to the diet. It's another great source of natural sugars. It can last for a long time because they're dry, and you can buy a lot of them at once, which is great. And it's just a nice thing to look forward to eat. So you mix in some raisins, cut up apples, and you make a nice fruit salad for dessert.
all right, so we got our apples, our raisins, our rice, and our beans, and now let's chow down. So to answer the ultimate question of sustainability, from an economic standpoint, yes, this is sustainable because we were able to construct a meal that cost $3.09 per meal. However, from a standpoint of environment, it's not terribly sustainable because we were not able to afford the organic foods, the fair trade foods, foods that were produced locally, because those cost more money. We had to minimize our costs by buying in bulk and buying the cheapest ingredients in order to maximize our nutritional value.
With the $135, we were able to do that, but we understand that with a little bit of extra income, we might be able to afford some of those more sustainable products. But if you were strictly working off of these SNAP benefits, you wouldn't have much variety, and overall it wouldn't be that great.
Looking at how realistic this is, we definitely had some resources that might not be guaranteed for everybody. Immediately we started making a budget for this meal, and we had the resources such as computers and cell phones. So that's not guaranteed for everybody, and that's something to take into consideration.
In the short term, this might be able to work, and in the long term, it doesn't seem that it's a sustainable project. However, if perhaps we were able to work together and pool in our funds, we could create more opportunity for ourselves.
A Costco membership is $55 for a year, and for one person that is quite a bit of money. However, if you split it up with a group again, that minimizes the costs and makes it more feasible. So group living is something that would make this much more feasible.
Thank you for watching.